today we are in Lyngford Square to see this 3-bedroom, really generously sized, semi-detached property. We have a south-facing garden to the rear, driveway for up to 3 cars. Inside it is immaculate. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Thank you very much for your time today and allowing me to show you around this beautiful property. If you would like to book a viewing or would like me to come and value your home and discuss your marketing options, please do get in touch. I'll speak to you very soon.